Quick Photoshop tips. How to change perspectives in Photoshop. Let's try to match the perspectives of these boxes. First, go to Edit, then select Perspective Warp. Now all you have to do is to click, hold, and drag to create a new plane. Do this on one side of the box, then just do the same thing to create another plane. It will snap automatically, then just do the same method for the last side of the box. Press Enter on your keyboard. Now all you have to do is to adjust the points to warp the perspective of the box, and you're done. Like and follow for more tips. Quick Photoshop tips. How to paste designs on t-shirts in less than a minute. Let's try to blend this design on the t-shirt. First, hide your design layer, then save the project as a PSD file. Save the file on your desktop, then we will be using that later. Once you're done, unhide the design, then go to Filter, Distort, then click Displace. Just copy these settings and click OK. Open the PSD file that you saved earlier, and now our design is starting to blend with the t-shirt. To make it look more realistic, change the blending mode to multiply, right-click on the layer, then click Blending Options. Hold Alt on your keyboard, then click, hold, and drag to split the underlying layer slider. Adjust the slider to your liking, and now the design looks more realistic. Click OK, and you're done. Like and follow for more tips. Quick Photoshop tips. How to change body positions in Photoshop. First, go to Properties tab, then click Select Subject. Once you're done, go to the Layers tab, then duplicate your layer. Hold Ctrl and click on the layer icon to create a selection. Now go to Select, then Modify, and click Expand. Set the pixels to 10, then click OK. Go back and select the first layer. Right-click on the selection, then click Fill. Make sure to set the contents to Content Aware. Click OK, and now your subject is removed. Now all you have to do is to go to Edit, then select Puppet Warp. Now all you have to do is to pinpoint the various joints of the body, adjust the points to your liking, and you can even rotate a single point by holding Alt on your keyboard, then click and drag. Press Enter on your keyboard, and you're done. Here's the before and after. Like and follow for more tips. Quick Photoshop tips. How to paste packaging designs on box mockups. First, import your design, then right-click on the layer icon and click Select Pixels. Copy your design, then just delete the layer. Once you're done, create a new layer, then go to Filter and select Vanishing Point. Now all you have to do is to create a new plane on one side of your box. Then to create another plane, just hold Ctrl and drag to create a new plane. Do the same method for the last side of your box, then paste your design. Now all you have to do is to drag your design to all three planes, click OK, change the blending mode to multiply, and you're done. Like and follow for more tips. Quick Photoshop tips. How to create fake background blurs in Photoshop. First, duplicate your layer, then go to Properties, then click Select Subject. Now go back to Layers, then click this icon to create a layer mask. Hold Ctrl on your keyboard, then click the layer mask to create a selection. Once you're done, right-click on the selection, then click Content Aware Fill. Click OK, and now your subject is removed from the background. Now all you have to do is to go to Filter, then Blur Gallery, and click Tilt Shift. Move the safe zone to the ground and adjust it to your liking. Now all you have to do is to increase the background blur, click OK, and that's how you can create fake background blurs in Photoshop. Like and follow for more tips.